loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing a cute Sanrio haul with you guys. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So today I have this big box full of Sanrio items that my twin sister Kitty has recently purchased, and she asked me to share with you guys. She put everything in this cute My Melody box that she has, so I think we're gonna open it up and take things out one by one, and I'll go over the items with you and tell you where she purchased them, how much they cost, and a little bit more about each item. Alright, so first item that I want to show you guys is this really cute cinema roll Mascot Plush. If you see anywhere on a Sanrio website or a website that's selling Sanrio items, when they say Mascot Plush, they mean that it's a small keychain size like this, and it usually comes like on a ball chain or a clip. So this is the mascot version of this plush, and this series is I've seen it mentioned two different ways before. It's been mentioned as a fairy rabbit series because of the wings, I'm thinking, and it's also been mentioned as Chinese New Year, Year of the Rabbit plush. So those are two different ways that you can search for it if you're on Google searching for items from this series. I love this series. I think it's so beautiful and lovely. I love the pastel colors. They all have this little jewel necklace with a little jewel heart, and if you flip it around, they all have a satin bow in the back with wings and a heart. I do wish I would say that the cinema roll one came with a blue ribbon instead of a pink ribbon. I think that would have been prettier. Like here in this photo, he's all blue and white with just a touch of pink. I think that would have been nicer, but I do think that this is beautiful either way. I love the iridescent wings. So this is the mascot cinema roll version, and this one I believe my twin sister Kitty purchased on ilovemykittyshop.com, which is the website for the Sanrio shop in Pasadena. And I've been to that shop before. I did do a vlog. I've shown you guys the inside of that shop. It's a really nice shop and the owners are really lovely. This plush was $30.99. And I did want to mention that it is different from the Japanese price. As you can see here, in Japan it would have been about 2,200 yen, which is roughly about $20 or so. Now they do upcharge a bit because they're importing all of these items from Japan, and they're paying a price on the import fees, the shipping, all of that. So they do have to mark the price up a little just to be able to make anything at all. So that it is going to cost more when you're buying from an American shop versus if you're trying to import the item from Japan yourself. Alright, so these next couple of items are also from that same Fairy Rabbit Chinese New Year series, but these were from a Japanese website. I'll link them below, and I'll mention their name somewhere on the screen. I've shopped with this site before and I've shown you guys their site plenty of times, but they have changed their site. They've moved it over, and it's, instead of JapanYouWant.com, it is now JWY Kawaii.com. And this is a Japanese website, so the prices will be lower. They'll be closer to the price that you would find in Japan, but shipping is going to be more expensive because they're going to be using DHL international shipment, and it will be coming from Japan instead of from America. So keep that in mind. So first item is this beautiful Kuromi. I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the plastic so that we can get a better look at them. Alright, so here is actually let me move this box aside so I can give you a better view. So here is the Kuromi version. It's actually rather large. I was really surprised by that and really happy about it because lately the size small plushies have been rather small. So in comparison to the mascot, it's pretty big. And I'm really happy about that. Like I mentioned, this is just so soft and beautiful and really highly detailed. Here's the back. She has a gray ribbon with the iridescent wings, silver glittered heart. You can see her skull up here, and then here's the little gem heart. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it. She comes with a little purple gem heart, super beautiful. Here's a little graphic. How cute is that? She looks so mischievous and adorable. So yeah, I'm really happy with this size. This one, because I bought it on the Japanese website, was $26.99. But if you were to buy it from an American website, like the Sanrio Pasadena site or any of the other Sanrio stores, then it would be $46.99. So it's about $20 more. But like I said, it's because of all the fees that they're paying to import the item. That's why it would cost more there, but you will get it faster and you're going to pay less in shipping if you get it from an American store. This is just so beautiful. I love her little paws. So next figure, next plush is the My Melody version. Here she is. Oh, what a beautiful pink color. I'll go ahead and unwrap her gem heart. She has a beautiful pink crystally gem heart, cute little blush. If you turn her around, her bow is a beautiful pink with a pink glitter heart and also the iridescent wings. And here's her little tag, super beautiful. I love these so much. If you have a chance to get anything from this series, I definitely recommend these. They're really high quality, really soft, really pretty. So let's see what else is in the box. It is a little windy outside right now, so I do apologize if you guys hear the wind against my window. But anyway, next item is this cute little Sanrio plush. I'll open it up, get it out of the plastic so you guys can get a better look at it. I pulled up the receipt here so you guys can see a better description of each item. This is the Sanrio Kawaii plush mascot strap, Cinnamoroll, 2022, Nakajima, Japan, and it was $14.99. So here's the little mascot. It's so small, it's adorable. I love the little bows in his hair. I love this little like collar, so cute. And the material is like, I don't know how to describe this material, but it's like a really fuzzy, soft material. It's really different and I think it's super cute and adorable. It's much smaller than the bunny mascot, as you can tell. But it's super cute. I love this one. Okay, next is this Kawaii mascot. And this one is labeled as Sanrio mascot ball chain strap, Laundry Day, Kawaii 2022, Sanrio, Japan. And this one was $15.99. So here's the little mascot plushie. She's so cute. It's a Laundry Day plush, so it's like her little outfit is hanging still on the hanger. It's so adorable. And here's her little like surprised face with a little sweat on her forehead. Her little ears are down. This is so adorable and different. I think it's so cute. The little tag shows Kawaii doing laundry. Super, super cute. And it's also on a ball chain because it's a mascot plush. I love how soft it is. That is so adorable. Next item is this adorable My Melody plush. I'm going to open it up to give you a better view. This one I believe she purchased at the Sanrio store in Topanga. I believe I was with her at the Topanga Mall. And this is so cute. It's a little kitty. So here's the little graphic of it. It's My Melody as a little kitten. And it's just this cute little plush. It kind of reminds me of a Tsum Tsum. And it just sits so cute on your desk or on top of things. It's adorable. Look at her little paws. So cute. And I believe this one was like less than $10. Adorable. Next item is this cute pair of Sanrio socks. These are My Melody on one sock and My Sweet Piano on the other. And then these cute little strawberries everywhere. I love strawberries. I think they're so cute. These socks are adorable. They were $5 and I believe she also got these in the Sanrio Topanga store. So cute. I wonder if she's gonna wear them. I'm so weird. I have like a little collection of socks and I never wear mine. I just, honestly, they're in this drawer. It's so weird. This drawer is like full of socks that I got in Japan and other stores and stuff. So I don't know, I should just take them all out and wear them one of these days. I don't want to drop anything, but here's like a quick little look. You can already kind of see. It's full of socks. There's a ton more in there. Alright, next item is this cute little twin stars set of charms. This was also from Sanrio store, and these were $7 for these set. These are so cute. I actually got these in Kawaii for myself and my Melody for my twin. I think I showed you guys in my last Sanrio haul, but I'm glad she got these because look how cute. They have Puff and Puff. I don't know which one is which, Puff or Puff. If you know, let me know in the comments. And then Kiki and Lala. That is so cute, and you can use these in so many ways. Like you can stick it onto a strap and use it on your as a phone charm, or on your Switch. You could even attach it to your zipper and use it as a zipper pull on a purse, on a jacket, anything like that. So cute. Love these. Next item is also from Sanrio store. This is my Melody mirror. So cute. And this one was $11.25, and it's showing you in the back here how this front part with the frame is actually like a picture frame. So you'd open it, and then this section here you open, and right here is where you would put your photo, and then here is the mirror. I'm gonna open it up to show you guys exactly how, but it's so pretty. Look at it. Obsessed. Okay, so here's the mirror, and this my Melody paper here is where you would put your image, and it would be framed by these like pretty cute designs. So I believe we just kind of pop it open from here like that, and then here's the mirror. Oh, you can see the rest of my room kind of. And then here you would kind of separate this here like that, and the image that you want to use would go here. They taped this my Melody one here to show you. Oh, it's kind of hard to pull out. Okay. But you can put an image of your own there instead of this my Melody. Like you can cut out an image, or you could use a little Instax. Unfortunately, I don't have any of my cute Instax here with me. I left my album and all my photos at the shop, but I do have this one, like one of my nephew. Doesn't really go with the theme because it's like purple and black, but I'll put it in just to show you. So you'd put it in like this, pick a spot like maybe like that, sorry, like that, and then close it. Oh, maybe a little lower. Maybe like that. And there you go. Now you have this cute image in your mirror. Every time you pull it out, you can see like a cute image that you put here. And if you wanted to use the mirror, pull it like this. And if you wanted to replace the image, this little piece here, you push back and replace the image. So I think that's so super cute and like different. I've never seen anything like that, and I really like it. So cute. I love this. I'm not sure what this is for, but I think it's cool because you can hang little charms on it and have like your little mirror out with your little charms dangling, and like that would be so extra and cute. I love this. This is perfect for her. Okay, so next actually looks like she got some more of the my Melody ones. Look how cute. So this set comes with my Melody, my Sweet Piano, and Flat. I believe that's the mouse's name. How cute. These are beautiful. Oh, I'm in love with these. If you guys have any good ideas for how to use those too, let me know in the comments. So I believe the rest of the items are all from Japan You Want or JWY Kawaii. And here's their little business card. So cute. So they are JYW_Kawaii on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I love this shop. But you kind of have to be fast and check this shop often because they sell out so fast, I think because their prices are so good. And they sent these cute little free sticker flakes, adorable. So she got these 2 sticker sheets there. This one is my Melody and the other one is Cinnamon Roll. These are so pretty. It has all of their little mascots and friends on there. So cute. Milk. Oh, he looks so cute there. Here we have her, I believe that's her brother, Rhythm. flat, my sweet piano, mocha. So cute. And let me see, how much did these cost? These were $1.99 each, so that's like a great price. So cute. Next item that I'm going to pull out of the box is this really cute Kawaii Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you get a better view. This is so cute. It has a little clear protector in the front. Then it has these little die cut Melody and Baku memos, and then in the back it has full square shaped memos. And I appreciate that the design on these is kind of like faded, so if you were to write a quick little memo or note over it, you could still see the note. And then these, I would write the note on the back. Super cute. And these were, if you're searching on the website, it's Sanrio die cut mini memo pad, Kawaii 2022, Yamano, Japan, and these were on sale for $1.99 each pad. Super cute. Love these. And even if you don't like use these for memos, they're super cute on your desk, like a nice little decoration or just like a little prop in one of your photos or something. So this is definitely worth the $1.99. Next item is this pair of Kawaii scissors that she was kind enough to get for me, because it's so funny though. She knows me so well, like better than anybody else, and I was just telling my husband like 2 days before she showed me these that I need Kawaii scissors. I was telling him I have Kawaii everything in this room, but my scissors are Krilikuma and Cinnamoroll. I need some Kawaii scissors. And then she showed me that she purchased these for me, and I was so excited. I was like screaming, like, how did you know? And I think they're just so perfect. She got these on that Japan You Want website, and let's see. They're called Sanrio Face Shaped Scissors, Kawaii 2022, and they're $7.99. That's a great price, but I believe you can also get these on the Sanrio American websites, so I'll try to link them for you. But oh, these are so awesome. Let's open them. So cute. I love how like even the metal part is black. That's so interesting and pretty. They have her skull on there. They sound sharp. They're really easy to use too, which I appreciate, and they're just gonna look so cute in like a little holder. Love these. Thank you so much, Kitty, for these. Alright, so very last item in the box is this super cute Switch Lite pouch, and this is from the Dinosaurs collection. It's so beautiful. The receipt here shows that it's a Switch Lite character soft pouch Rilakkuma, and it was on sale like half off, $9.99, which is a ridiculously unbeatable price. It's just so pretty already in the box. This fits your Switch Lite, and it's a pouch. I've shown these kind of pouches on here before, just not this one. I didn't get anything from this collection. I don't know why. I must be crazy or something, but I just missed it somehow. So I do want to get the rest of the items from this collection. I think that would be really nice. So let me just show you the pouch. This is how the pouch looks. It's so beautiful. I'm like dying. Everyone puts on their dinosaur costumes and says, I can't really say that, but so cute. Oh, this is precious. I love the blue. This is how it opens, and it's super soft inside to protect your Switch. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my Switch Lites to show you how it fits in here. So here's one of my Switch Lites. This one just has a pink skin from Sticky Bunny coat on it. And you put it in, you kind of open it like this and just stick it in like that. It fits really nicely and it zips up like that. And look how cute. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Also, comment below what your favorite item was and what you would like to see from us next. Love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Kitty and Jerry.